The next best thing to DIY? Assembling an omnichannel strategy with first-party data. This is IKEA's success in short. Home to well-designed home furnishings with a continued focus on affordable prices, IKEA has become a household name around the world. Building on our brand in Australia, we wanted to welcome more locals no matter how close they are to our stores, reaching the right customers, old and new, with timely, relevant messaging, and invite them to stay and get rewarded on our website and through our new loyalty-based program.
There's just one missing piece. How could we make room for more first-party data to help reach Aussies and bring IKEA into their homes?
So we turned to the trade desk, launching our omnichannel campaigns on the platform. We added their marketplace of premium inventory to our cart, from audio and display to BVOD.
To help future-proof the brand, we set up universal pixel tracking to build on their first-party data and discover their next best customers.
Our ads tuned in to where they were, be it listening to podcasts or hit songs.
Now that they've heard about IKEA, we took our campaign out of home, where path to conversion was key in measuring its success. With the trade desk, we drew greater conversions and business growth.
Omnichannel and first-party data are designed to build for future successes, and we've got room for so much more. That was the story of IKEA's success in short.